Okay, January 1, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. January 1. After ng putukan, wala, ganun pa rin. After ng putukan, sarado, tubigan. Sarado rin yata to. Ay, wala ang bukas na tindahan, puro puyat. Last Christmas, walang handa. Get in my heart. Every next day, every away. Busiest, driving up years. There's someone special. You bet. Get in my heart. 3 months tayo nag-stay. November, December, and January. Malapit na po ang 22. Uwi na sa Batangas.